If you lose all your identification, something happens. You recognize you are a part of the totality. That's the purpose of Breema and the 9 principles, to help you drop your extra, your identification. There are 2 directions for you to move in. One is to move from diversity towards unity. The other is to move from complication towards simplicity. If you use these directions to guide yourself, you eventually come to one simple truth. You exist. And when you know you exist, you know existence is manifesting itself. Life is giving to life. In your head, you can deny anything. You can contradict any philosophy. You can deny God, religion, science. But you can't deny the fact that you exist. You can't deny your own existence. You may not know you exist, but you can't deny it either. Since you can't deny it, why not really know it? Why not know that you exist? Not mentally, not philosophically, not because someone else said so, because you taste the reality of it in this moment. That is coming from diversity towards unity. In I exist, you find out that the I you taste is not separate from the totality, from the awareness of all that exists. You come to the simplicity, which is also unity. All authentic teachings carry the kernel of this truth, and they are one in essence, though each has its own form. That depends on the period in which they were expressed, the one who expressed it, and those to whom it was expressed. The truth is expressed in many forms, but the reality of it is unchangeable.